You okay? Can Okay, example 15. Look up. You have this improper again. Use an algebraic method. Keyword. Do you all understand this word algebraic method? Yes, very good. Okay, I'm not going to tell you what you should do. I'm going to tell you what you should not do when you see the word algebraic method. What you should not do is, you want me to show that there are two stationary points, I will just, okay, I tell you, the GC tell me that there are two stationary points. I sketch the graph and say, oh, by GC there are two stationary points, done, shown. What you should not do, this is what you should not do. So, how should we do it? Algebraic method just means you do it by analysis, you differentiate, etc., etc. Can? Okay. Okay, let's do a long division. Okay, if you are not sure, you can do long division all by yourself here. So, assume we have done all this, then we get this result. Okay? Make sure you do, okay lah, I'm just going to, don't have to copy, okay? If you are certain of your long division, you don't have to copy. Alright? But I just show this for completeness. Okay. Now, what do we want to do? We want to show that there are two stationary points. So we differentiate. Are you okay? Can we differentiate this? Can. Okay, differentiate x. You get 1. Differentiate this very quickly. We are going to get, okay? Can? This is x minus 1 to the power of negative 1. If you consider it like that, this can be easily found. Okay? How do we find that there are two stationary points? You let dy dx be 0. Then you solve. Make sure you get plus minus 1 here. And then x equals to 2, x equals to 0. Okay, just the bubble here. Can you have attention? Obviously, you know there are two stationary points. Okay? We can always check answers. I use GC to check answers. Okay? So, two stationary points, 0, 3, and 2, 7 shown. Do you all know how to get the 3 and the 7? Do you all know how to get this 3 and the 7? Just substitute lah, huh? Get the x coordinate, you know the y coordinate. Done. Okay. If you can I have attention, a bit too much talking. I can hear this side. Can? Good. There's no problem in entering in your GC. So you get exactly what you see up there. You get this sketch. Let's be discerning again. Do we reproduce exactly what you see on your sketch? Obviously not. We should know that there should be some asymptotes because let's recall a rational function, right? There must be some asymptote. There must surely be a vertical asymptote and an oblique asymptote. So, just by looking at the form earlier, okay, you should be able to get the oblique asymptote as y equals to x plus 4. Am I right? This is the oblique asymptote. Sorry. And x equals to 1. Can? X equals to 1. Now, you notice that surely there are intercepts here. And there are intercepts here. There are 3 intercepts here. Correct? There are 3 intercepts, 1, 2, 3. Read this line here. The question, let's answer to the question. The question did not ask for exact values. Whether is it intercepts or is it stationary point. So go ahead and use your GC. Don't waste time to find it algebraically. Do you know what I'm saying? Do you know how to find these 2 points using GC? Yes or no? You should know, huh? Okay, so go ahead and find that these are your X, these two, and your Y intercept is this one. Just use GC. If you want to practice now, go ahead and use practice now. Okay? So at the end of the day, are we then able to sketch this on your page 14 by yourself? Can? All by yourself. Okay, let's do it. Try on our own. Yes. Yeah, you should obviously get a shape. All right. Let's not forget SIA. Okay, as I always constantly remind yourself, when you sketch a graph, SIA, SIA. So S, your stationary point gotten earlier. 27. Another stationary point. 03, gotten earlier. I. So never mind, let's try and tick this one. Done. I intercepts. There are 3 intercepts. It so happens that okay, can I have attention? When you sketch this graph, make sure that the intercept is also a maximum point. It so happens this way. So make sure you present that. Okay, that means this point is the intercept as well as a stationary point. If you didn't do that, can you help your friends check your buddy? Okay? Check, help each other, okay? Then I, this point and this point. A, asymptotes. Label this line, label this line.